Cos x plus cos y is equal to cos x plus y into cos x minus y by 2. What is cos a plus b? Cos a plus b is cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Now what is cos a plus cos d? Cos a plus cos d is 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. What is the formula for tan a plus b? Tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a tan b. For tan a minus b, tan a minus tan b divided by 1 plus tan a tan b. Hello dear students, welcome to this session of mathematics class. I am Mr. Niranjan, faculty, Department of Mathematics, Vidhyaashram PU College, the Temple of Excellence. Now in this session I am going to discuss regarding the transformation formulas. In the previous class we have discussed regarding the derivation and the problems based on sin a plus b, cos a plus b, sin a minus b and cos a minus b. So using those formulas we are going to derive some formulas, that is the sum or difference of some angles. That is what we are going to study in transformation. Now trigonometrical functions of sum and difference of two angles. So the trigonometrical functions of sum and difference of two angles, that is what we are going to call it as the transformation. Now let us come to this. We know that from the previous, we know that sin x plus y, cos x plus y, similarly sin x minus y, cos x minus y. Instead of x and y, let me consider a and b. We know that sin of a plus b, sin a plus b. What is the formula for sin a plus b? Sin a cos b, sin a cos b plus cos a sin b, right? Sin a plus b is equal to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Similarly, let us consider sin a minus b. Sin a minus b is equal to sin a cos b minus cos a into sin b. Now let us add and subtract these two. Let us add first. If adding on both sides, on the left hand side what we will get? Sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b is equal to, here cos a sin b minus and plus gets cancelled, and what is left over is sin a cos b plus sin a cos b is equal to 2 sin a cos b, 2 sin a cos b. So this is the first transformation, that is sin a plus b plus sin a minus b is equal to 2 sin a cos b. Or if you want only sin a cos b, sin a cos b can also be written as half of sin a plus b plus sin a minus b, right? So sin a cos b is equal to half sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. On subtraction, on the left hand side what we will get? Sin of a plus b minus sin of a minus b. While subtraction, this minus becomes plus and this becomes minus. These two gets cancelled. Cos a sin b plus cos a sin b is equal to 2 cos a sin b, right? So sin a plus b minus sin a minus b is also equal to 2 cos a sin b. Or if only cos a sin b can be written as cos a into sin b is equal to half of sin a plus b minus sin of a minus b. So this is the second form. So similarly, by using cos a plus b and cos a minus b, we will get two more formulas. Now let us come to the next concept. If a plus b and a minus b are replaced by c and d, let us consider, let a plus b is equal to c and a minus b is equal to d. Now let us consider a plus b is equal to c and a minus b is equal to d. Add this. If you add, what we will get? Minus b plus b gets cancelled. 2a is equal to c plus d. A is equal to c plus d by 2. Similarly, if we subtract, what we will get? B is equal to c minus d by 2. Okay, now let us substitute these values in this equation. Suppose if a plus b is replaced by sin of c and a minus b is replaced by d, sin c plus sin d. Sin c plus sin d is equal to 2 times sin of, what is a? A is equal to c plus d divided by 2 into cos of b is equal to c minus d by 2. This is very, very important formula. Sin C plus sin D is equal to 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. Similarly here, sin C minus sin D is equal to 2 cos C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. Hope you followed. Now, let me write in detail. Here, suppose if A plus B and A minus B are replaced by x plus y, x minus y and x and y. So, the formulas we are going to get is cos x plus cos y. Cos x plus cos y is equal to 2 cos x plus y by 2 into cos x minus y by 2. Similarly, cos x minus cos y. Cos C minus cos D is equal to 2 sin x plus y by 2 into sin of x minus y by 2. And sin C plus sin D. Sin C plus sin D is equal to 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. That is 2 sin x plus y by 2 into cos x minus y by 2. And sin x minus sin y is equal to 2 cos x plus y by 2 into sin of x minus y by 2. Okay. So, based on these formulas, now we are going to solve the problems. Okay. This is very, very important. Cos x plus cos y or cos C plus cos D. Cos x plus cos y is equal to cos x plus y into cos x minus y by 2. Cos x minus cos y is equal to minus 2 sin x plus y by 2 into sin x minus y by 2. Similarly, sin x plus sin y is equal to 2 sin x plus y by 2 into cos x minus y by 2. And sin x minus sin y is equal to 2 cos x plus y by 2 into sin of x minus y by 2. Okay. Hope you followed. Right. Now, based on these formulas, let us discuss few examples. Now, let us consider for example number 1. So, find the value of cos 3x plus cos x. Suppose if you want to simplify cos 3x plus cos x. So, this is of the form cos C plus cos D. Cos C plus cos D. What is the formula for cos C plus cos D? Cos C plus cos D is equal to 2 cos C plus D by 2. 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos of C minus D by 2. Comparing with cos C plus cos D, the value of C is equal to 3x, C is equal to 3x and D is equal to x. Now, cos 3x plus cos x, the given equation can be written as 2 cos C plus D. C plus D means 3x plus x divided by 2 into cos of 3x minus x divided by 2. So, this is equal to 2 cos 3x plus x is 4x, 4x by 2 is equal to 2x, cos of 3x minus x is 2x divided by 2 is x. So, 2 cos 2x into cos x is the simplified answer. Okay. So, this is also a very, very important problem for 5 marks. Right. What is given? Prove that sin 5x minus 2 sin 3x plus sin x divided by cos 5x minus cos x is equal to tan x. Now, let us take LHS here. What is LHS? LHS is sin 5x minus 2 sin 3x plus sin x divided by cos of 5x minus cos x. Now, let us group these two first. That is sin 5x plus sin x, one group, minus 2 sin 3x divided by, in the denominator we will have cos 5x minus cos x as one group. Now, you can apply the formula in the numerator sin C plus sin D, in the denominator cos C minus cos D. So, this is 2 sin C plus D by 2, 5x plus x by 2 into cos 5x minus x divided by 2 whole divided by minus 2 sin C plus D, 5x plus x by 2 into sin 5x minus x divided by 2, whereas in the numerator we have minus 2 sin 3x as it is, and cancel, which gets cancelled. So, this can be written as in the numerator 2 sin, now 5x plus x is 6x by 2 is 3x sin 3x into cos of 5x minus x is 4x by 2 is 2x, and this minus 2 sin 3x as it is, right, divided by, in the denominator we can write 2 sin of 5 plus 1 is 6x by 2 is 3x into sin 5x minus x is 4x by 2 is sin 2x. Now, you can take the common factor. In the numerator we can take 2 sin 3x as the common factor. So, 2 sin 3x is gone, and what is remaining is cos 2x minus 1 divided by, in the denominator 2 sine 3x into sine 2x as it is. These two gets cancelled. Okay. What is left over in the numerator? Cos 2x minus 1 divided by sine of 2x. Right. What is there in the numerator? Cos 2x minus 1 divided by, in the denominator we have sine 2x. Now let us simplify this. That's all. So we know cos 2x is also equal to, there is one formula for cos 2x. Cos 2x is also equal to 1 minus 2 sine square x. So cos 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 sine square x minus 1 divided by, there is one formula for sine 2x. Sine 2x is also equal to 2 sine x into cos x. Now this minus 1 and plus 1 gets cancelled. Negative sign in the denominator. This minus as it is. So this minus as it is. Again this minus as it is. Okay, this negative signs comes here. Now then what happens? This is equal to minus 2 sine square x divided by minus 2 sine x into cos x. Now cancel the terms which gets cancelled. 1 minus 2 gets cancelled. 1 sine and sine gets cancelled. What is left over is, we have, I will write here, sine x divided by cos x, that is equal to tan x, which is the required answer. So what is left in the numerator? Minus sine gets cancelled, 2 gets cancelled, 1 sine and sine gets cancelled. What is left over is sine x divided by cos x. Sine by cos x is equal to tan x. That is the required answer. That's it. Very simple. So here the negative sign is very important. This minus sign will remain the same. In the numerator we will get one more negative sign. So minus 2 gets cancelled, 1 sine gets cancelled. Sine by cos is equal to tan x, which is the required RHS. That's it. Hope you followed. Now let us come to the next problem. What is the next problem? So based on trigonometrical ratios of standard angles. So in the previous class we have discussed the standard angles. Exercise number 3.3. Prove that sin square pi by 6 plus cos square pi by 3 minus tan square pi by 4 is equal to 1 by 2. Now let us take LHS. What is LHS? Sin square pi by 6 plus cos square pi by 3 minus tan square pi by 4. So if you want, you can straight away substitute the values or convert this. Sin square, what is pi by 6? Pi by 6 is nothing but 30 degree plus cos square pi by 3. Pi by 3 is nothing but 60 degrees minus tan square pi by 4 is nothing but 45 degrees. Straight away you can substitute. Sin 30 is 1 by 2 whole square. And what is cos 60? Sin 60 root 3 by 2. Cos 60 is also 1 by 2. 1 by 2 whole square minus tan square 45. Tan 45 is 1. 1 by 2 whole square is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 minus 1 square is 1. Take LCM. 4 is the LCM. 4 gets cancelled. 1 plus 1 minus 4. So what is this equal to? 1 plus 1 is 2 minus 4. 2 minus 4 is minus 2 by 4. That's equal to minus 1 by 2, which is the required answer. That is minus 1 by 2. That's it. Very simple. Sin square 30 plus cos square 60 minus tan square 45. Just substitute the value of sin 30. Sin 30 is 1 by 2 whole square. Cos 60. Cos 60 is also 1 by 2 whole square minus tan 45 is 1. 1 by 2 square is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 minus 1 square is 1. Straight away take LCM. 4 is the LCM. 4 gets cancelled. 1 plus 1 minus 4 ones are 4. 1 plus 1 is 2 minus 4 by 2. 2 minus 4 is minus 2 by 4 is minus 1 by 2, which is the required RHS. Hope you followed. Very simple, right? Now let us come to the next problem, similar type problem. So here what is given? Prove that 2 sin square pi by 6 plus cosecant square 7 pi by 6 into cos square pi by 3 is equal to 3 by 2. Similar type problem. Let us write the LHS first. What is LHS? LHS 2 sin square pi by 6 plus cosecant square 7 pi by 6 into cos square pi by 3. Now let us convert first. So we know this 2 sin square pi by 6. Pi by 6 is nothing but 30 degrees plus cosecant square pi by 6. Pi 7 into pi by 6. Pi by 6 is 30. 7 3s are 21. 210 degrees. And cos square pi by 3 is nothing but 60 degree. Straight away we know the value of sine square and cos square 30 degrees. Now convert cosecant square 210 degrees. Now cosecant of 210 can also be written as cosecant 180 plus 30, right? So cosecant 180 plus 30 comes in the third quadrant. In third quadrant, ASTC. So in third quadrant, all are positive in first, sine is positive, tan is positive, and cos is positive in the fourth quadrant. So in third quadrant, tan and cot are positive. So therefore cosecant of 180 plus theta is minus cosecant theta. This is minus cosecant of 30 degree. So substitute here. This is equal to, what is cosecant of minus 30? Minus sine 30 is 1 by 2, cosecant 30 is minus 2. This is. Now substitute here. This is 2 into sine 30 1 by 2 whole square plus cosecant of 210 is minus 2 whole square into cos 60. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2, cos 60 is 1 by 2, 1 by 2 whole square. So this is 2 into 1 by 4 plus 2 square is minus into minus plus 1 by 4. So this is equal to 4 gets cancelled, and this is 2 1s are 2 2s are gets cancelled. 1 by 2 plus 1, take LCM, 2 is LCM, 1 plus 2 is 3 by 2. The required answer is 3 by 2, which is the RHS. That's it. Very simple problem, right? See here, pi by 6 means 30 degrees. Cosecant of 7 pi by 6 means 7 into 30, 210 degrees. Cosecant 210 can also be written as cosecant of 180 plus 30. 180 plus 30 is 210. Cosecant 180 plus theta comes in third quadrant. In third quadrant, tan and cot are positive, remaining trigonometrical ratios are negative, and further there is no change. So cosecant 180 plus theta is minus cosecant 30. Cosecant 30 is 2, so the cosecant of 210 is minus 2. So substitute here 2 into sine 30 1 by 2, cosecant of 210 is minus 2 whole square into cosecant 60 is 1 by 2 whole square. 2 into 1 by 4 plus minus 2 square is 4 into 1 by 4. 4 gets cancelled, 2 2s gets cancelled, 1 by 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2 is, which is the required answer. Hope you followed. Okay. Let us come to the next problem. Prove that tan square pi by 6 plus cosecant of 5 pi by 6 plus 3 tan square pi by 6 is equal to 6. Let us take LHS cot square pi by 6 plus cosecant of 5 pi by 6 plus 3 tan square pi by 6. Now let us convert this. So this is nothing but cot square 30 degrees plus this is cosecant of 5 by 6 is 30 into 5, 150 degrees plus 3 tan square pi by 6 is nothing but 30 degree. Now let us convert this cosecant 150 degree first. Cosecant of 150 can also be written as cosecant of 90 plus 60. Okay, what is cosecant 90 plus theta? So cosecant 90 plus theta comes in ASTC. 90 plus theta comes in second quadrant. In second quadrant, sin theta and cosecant theta are positive. Further, there is a chain. Cosecant of 90 plus theta can also be written as secant theta. Secant 60. So secant of 60. Secant 60 is also equal to 2. That's it. Substitute here. So the given equation, cot. What is cot 30? Cot 30 is equal to root 3 whole square plus cosecant 150 is 2 plus 3 into tan 30. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3 whole square. Okay. Now simplify this. What is this equal to? Root 3 square is 3 plus 2 plus 3 into 1 by 3. 3 gets cancelled. 3 plus 2 is 5 plus 1. That's equal to 6, which is a required RHS. That's it. Now let us come to the next problem. What is the next problem? Prove that 2 sin square 3 pi by 4 plus 2 cos square pi by 4 plus 2 times secant square pi by 3 is equal to 10. Let us take LHS. What is LHS here? 2 sin square 3 pi by 4 plus 2 cos square pi by 4 plus 2 secant square pi by 3. Now here 3 pi by 4 is 45 into 3 is 135 degrees. Let us convert this first. Sine of 3 pi by 4 can also be written as sine 180 minus pi by 4. See here, take LCM. 4 is LCM. 4 pi minus pi is 3 pi by 4. What is sine 180 minus theta? See, again this comes in the second quadrant. So this is 90 and 180. 180 minus theta comes in second quadrant. In second quadrant, sine is positive. So sine 180 minus theta is equal to minus sine theta plus sine theta. It is positive, plus sine theta plus sine pi by 4. What is the value of sine pi by 4? 1 by root 2. Substitute here, that's all. 2 into sine of 3 pi by 4 is 1 by root 2 whole square, plus 2 into cos 45 is also equal to 1 by root 2 whole square, plus 2 into secant of pi by 3. Pi by 3 is nothing but 60 degrees. Secant 60 is equal to 2 square. So this is 2 into 1 by 2 plus 2 into 1 by 2 plus 2 into 2 square is 4. 2 gets cancelled, 2 gets cancelled, 1 plus 1, 4 2s are 8, that's equal to 10, the required answer, which is the required RHS. That's it. Just substitute the value of sine 3 pi by 4 as 1 by root 2, cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2, secant pi by 3 is 2 whole square, simplify, 2 gets cancelled, 2 gets cancelled, 1 plus 1 plus 4 2s are 8, plus 2 is 10, which is the required answer. Okay, now let us come to the next problem. Same type problem. What is the problem here? So cos of pi by 4 minus x into cos of pi by 4 minus y minus sine of pi by 4 minus x into sine of pi by 4 minus y is equal to, what is to prove is sine x plus y. Very simple problem. Let us take LHS first. What is LHS? Cos of pi by 4 minus x into cos of pi by 4 minus y minus sine of pi by 4 minus x into sine of pi by 4 minus y. Let us observe carefully. This is of the form cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. See here, what is A? Pi by 4 minus x. What is B? Pi by 4 minus y minus sin A. What is A? Pi by 4 minus x. What is B? Pi by 4 minus y. So this is of the form cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. This is formula for cos A plus B. What is cos A plus B? Cos A plus B is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So this can be written as the given equation LHS reduces to cos A plus B. What is A? Pi by 4 minus x plus B is pi by 4 minus y. So this is equal to cos of pi by 4 plus pi by 4. 45 plus 45 is 90. 90 degrees minus you can take out. This becomes x plus y. So if you observe carefully, this is of the form cos 90 minus theta. What is cos 90 minus theta? Sin theta. This is equal to sine of. Instead of theta, it is x plus y, which is the required RHS here. What is the answer? Sine of x plus y. That's it. Very simple problem it is. See. So if you observe carefully, this is of the form cos A cos B minus sin A sin B, which is the formula for cos A plus B. What is A? A is pi by 4 minus x. What is B? Pi by 4 minus y. Substitute here cos A plus B, cos of A, pi by 4 minus x plus B is pi by 4 minus y. So pi by 4 plus pi by 4 is pi by 2, that is 90 degree minus x plus y. Take minus as common factor, it becomes minus of x plus y. So if you observe carefully, this is of the form cos 90 minus theta is sin theta, cos 90 minus x plus y is sin x plus y, which is a required RHS. Okay. Now let us come to the next problem. So what is given? Prove that tan of pi by 4 plus x divided by tan of pi by 4 minus x is equal to 1 plus tan x whole square divided by 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x whole the square. Right. Take LHS. What is LHS? LHS is tan of pi by 4 plus x divided by tan of pi by 4 minus x. Now if you observe carefully, the numerator and denominator is of the form tan A plus B. What is the formula for tan A plus B? Tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A tan B. For tan A minus B, tan A minus tan B divided by 1 plus tan A tan B. Substitute here. Instead of A, it is pi by 4 and B is x. So this can be written as tan A, tan pi by 4 plus tan B. Tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A tan B whole divided by, in the denominator also, tan A tan pi by 4 minus tan x divided by 1 plus tan pi by 4 into tan x. Now, if I apply the formula, what is tan pi by 4? 1. Tan 45 is 1. 1 plus tan x divided by 1 minus 1 into tan x is tan x divided by, in the denominator, tan 45 is 1 minus tan x divided by 1 plus 1 into tan x is tan x. Now, this can be written as 1 plus tan x divided by 1 minus tan x. This goes to the numerator, 1 plus tan x divided by 1 minus tan x. So, we can write this as 1 plus tan x into 1 plus tan x is 1 plus tan x whole square divided by 1 minus tan x whole square, which is the required RHS. See, what is RHS? 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x whole square. We can also write this as 1 plus tan x divided by 1 minus tan x whole the square, which is the required RHS. That's it. Very simple problem it is. Okay. Just substitute tan A plus B, tan A minus B formula and substitute the value of tan 45 as 1. Simplify, you will get the answer. That's it. Okay. Right. Now, let us come to the next problem. Prove that cos of 9x minus cos of 5x divided by sin of 17x minus sin of 3x is equal to minus sin 2x by cos 10x. Let us try this. Now, let us take LHS first. What is LHS? Cos of 9x minus cos of 5x divided by, in the denominator we have sin of 17x minus sin of 3x. Now, if you observe carefully, the numerator is of the form cos c minus cos d. Denominator is of the form sin c minus sin d. Cos c minus cos d is equal to minus 2 sin c plus d by 2, 9x plus 5x divided by 2, minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. That is 9x minus 5x divided by 2 whole divided by, in the denominator, sin c minus sin d. Sin c minus sin d is equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. So, this is 2 cos c plus d by 2, 17x plus 3x divided by 2, 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2, 17x minus 3x divided by 2. Simplify this. This is equal to minus 2 times sin of 9 plus 5. 9 plus 5 is 14. 14 by 2 is 7x. Sin 7x into sin of 9 minus 5 is 4. 4 by 2 is 2x whole divided by, this is equal to 2 times cos of 17 plus 3 is 20. 20 by 2 is 10x into sin of, what is 17 minus 3? 17 minus 3 is 14. 14 by 2. 14 by 2 is equal to 7x. Now, simplify, cancel the terms which gets cancelled here. Sin 7x in the numerator and denominator gets cancelled. Again, this 2 and 2 also gets cancelled. What is left over in the numerator is minus of sin 2x divided by, in the denominator we have cos 10x. So, therefore, this is minus sin 2x divided by cos of 10x, which is a required RHS. See, what is the answer? Minus 2 sin 2x divided by cos 10x. That's it. Hope you followed. Okay. Now, let us come to the next problem. These are very important from exercise 3.3. Now, what is the next problem here? Prove that sin 5x plus sin 3x divided by cos 5x plus cos 3x is equal to tan 4x. This is very important for 3 marks. Now, let us write LHS. What is LHS? Sin of 5x plus sin of 3x divided by cos 5x plus cos 3x. Now, this is of the form, in the numerator is of the form sin c plus sin d, denominator is cos c plus cos d. What is c? C is equal to 5x, d is equal to 3x. This is c, this is d. Now, what is sin c plus sin d? Sin c plus sin d is equal to 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. So, this is 2 sin c plus d, 5x plus 3x divided by 2 into cos c minus d, 5x minus 3x divided by 2. whole divided by. Now what is cos C plus cos D? Cos C plus cos D is equal to 2 cos C plus D by D into cos C minus D by 2. So this is 2 cos C plus D 3x plus 5x plus 3x by 2 into cos of 5x minus 3x divided by 2. If you want, you can cancel here itself or take one more step. In the numerator, 2 times sine of 5 plus 3 is 8x by 2 is 4x into cos of 5x minus 3x is 2x by 2 is equal to x whole divided by 2 into cos 5x plus 3x is 8x by 2 is equal to 4x cos 4x into cos 5x minus 3x is 2x by 2 is x. Now cancel that term. So on cos x, 2 gets cancelled. What is left in the numerator? Sin 4x. In the denominator, cos 4x. What is this equal to? Sin by cos is equal to tan of 4x, which is the required RHS. That's it. Very simple for 3 marks. Okay. Just substitute sin C plus sin D, cos C plus cos D. Cancel the terms which gets cancelled. You will get the answer. Let's come to the last question in this session. So the very important question, this is for 5 marks. You may expect this type of questions for your final examination. Prove that cos 4x plus cos 3x plus cos 2x divided by sin 4x plus sin 3x plus sin 2x. Okay. What is LHS? Cos 4x plus cos 3x plus cos 2x divided by denominator is also sin 4x plus sin 3x plus sin 2x. Let us make a group. So cos of 4x plus cos 2x, make it as one group, plus cos 3x as it is. In the denominator also, let us make these two as one group, that is sin 4x plus sin 2x. This is one group, plus sin 3x as it is. Now if you observe carefully, the numerator here is of the form cos C plus cos D. Now what is cos C plus cos D? Cos C plus cos D is 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. So this can be written as 2 into cos C plus cos D. Cos of 4x plus 2x divided by 2 into cos 4x minus 2x divided by 2 plus cos 3x as it is. Whole divided by, in the denominator, sin C plus sin D plus sin 3x. Now what is sin C plus sin D? Sin C plus sin D is 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. So this is 2 times sin C plus sin D is 2 sin C plus D by 2. 4x plus 2x divided by 2 into cos 4x minus 2x by 2 and plus sin 3x. Now this is equal to, here this is same, 2 cos, what is 4x plus 2x? 6x. 6x by 2 is 3x into cos 4x minus 2x is 2x. 2x by 2 is x plus cos 3x divided by, in the denominator, 2 times sin 4x plus 2x is 6x by 2 is 3x into cos 4 minus 2 is 2x by 2 is 1x plus sin 3x as it is. See, in the numerator, you can take cos 3x common factor out. So here cos 3x is taken out. What is left is 2 cos x plus 1. In the denominator also, sin 3x is the common factor. What is left over is 2 cos x plus 1. See here, 2 cos x plus 1 and gets cancelled. What is left over? In the numerator, we have cos 3x. In the denominator, sin 3x. What is cos by sin? This is cot 3x, which is a required RHS. That's it for 5 marks. Very simple. Hope you followed. Okay. See here. Just here apply cos C plus cos D and sin C plus sin D. You can take cos 3x common factor in the numerator, sin 3x common factor in the denominator. So cos 3x into 2 cos x plus 1, sin 3x into 2 cos x plus 1, cos x plus 1, 2 cos x plus 1, 2 cos x plus 1 gets cancelled. And what is left over is cos by sin. Cos 3x by sin 3x is equal to cos 3x, which is a required RHS. Hope you followed. So these type of problems are very, very important. You may expect this type of questions for your examination. So that's all regarding today's session. Let us meet with different types of problems in the next session. Thank you very much.